Thanks for coming to WeCast. This is the XBraid X9 braided line. What's cool about this braid right here, this is the X9 full drag again. It uses 9 carrier, and what this is actually made to do is help improve your casting distance as well as overall efficiency on the water. It has a center core with 8 strands melted around that. What that's going to do is lock in that body, that cylindrical body of the braid. It's going to decrease the friction on your guides, decrease the friction on your reel, increase casting distance because of that minimal friction going in and out. And this stuff right here is really, really great for casting and spinning. So a lot of braids out there are either ultra slick, great on spinning, or they're going to be very abrasive and great on bait casting. This does both. This also comes in a wide range of different spool sizes as well as pound tests. Like I said, this is going to be a great universal braid on your casting and spinning. It also comes metered, so this is going to have 5 colors: white, red, green, pink, and blue, spread out in 33-foot segments. So whether you're saltwater fishing, inshore, offshore, or conventional bass fishing or freshwater fishing, this is going to be a great line for you. I believe it's going to go down to 8 pound. Yep, 8 pound test. And it's going to go up to 65 in the 165-yard spools. And some of the bigger spools like the 660, you still go down to 8, but you also go up to 120 for your big tuna, big game fish like that. So this is the brand new X9 braid, the full drag from XBraid. Make sure to check it out when we get this in. Very, very cool stuff. Thanks for watching, guys.